In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Canva. Whether you accidentally deleted a file or just changed your mind about a design, knowing how to recover your work can be a real lifesaver. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get your content back with ease. First off, you'll want to open your Canva workspace. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find a section labeled Trash. Click on it. This trash section serves as a temporary holding area for your deleted files, much like a recycling bin, allowing you to recover anything that might have been tossed out by mistake. After you've clicked on the trash, a new view will open up displaying all the files you've recently deleted. Take a moment to scan through this list to find the specific file or design you're looking to restore. Files are organized by the date they were deleted, so if it's a recent deletion, you should spot it easily at the top of the list. Once you've located the file you want to recover, hover over it with your mouse. On the far right of this selection, you'll notice three small dots arranged vertically. This is what we call the More Options menu. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where Canva gives you additional actions you can take with the deleted file. In this drop-down menu, look for the Restore option. It's usually the top choice in the list and should be quite easy to spot. Clicking Restore will move the file back to its original location in your Canva projects. This action is quick and takes only a moment, but it effectively undoes the deletion. And there you have it, your file is now back where it belongs. You can double check by navigating back to your Home Projects page in Canva. This method is a great safety net, allowing you to experiment with your designs without fear of permanently losing anything important. One thing to bear in mind is that files in the trash are not meant to stay there permanently. Keep an eye on the time these files have been in the trash, as Canva does periodically empty this bin to conserve storage space. Regularly check your trash to ensure nothing you might still need gets permanently deleted. I hope this guide helps make your Canva experience even more stress-free. Restoring those deleted items can save both time and trouble, enabling you to continue creating with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Canva.